In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Base44 to develop startup ideas. This guide will take you through each step required to navigate the platform and utilize its features for your app concepts. Begin by opening your web browser and entering the Base44 website address. This will direct you to the Base44 homepage, where you can access all available tools and resources. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any loading issues. Once the homepage loads, you will see various options for exploring the platform. You may need to scroll down slightly to locate the area where you can describe your app idea. Here, you can either type out your concept or browse through existing templates for inspiration. Take a moment to consider your ideas and choose a direction for your project. Next, look for the button labeled Ideas on the homepage. Clicking this will open a new section that presents a variety of startup ideas. The platform may take a moment to load this information, so be patient as new ideas populate on your screen. After the ideas have loaded, click on the More Ideas option. This will provide you with an expanded list of concepts to choose from. As you explore these ideas, think about which ones resonate with your vision and goals for your startup. Once you find an idea that interests you, select it by clicking on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of the idea where you can examine its potential further. Make sure to review the details carefully to ensure it aligns with your startup aspirations. You will then need to choose a category related to the idea you've selected. This step is crucial as it helps to refine the focus of your project. Look for a drop-down menu or selection interface that allows you to pick the appropriate category. After selecting the category, click on the Enter button to proceed. This action will confirm your selections and direct you to the next stage of the process. Wait a moment for the system to process your input before continuing. Now, navigate to the option labeled Building Your Idea. Clicking this will bring you to a workspace where you can start developing your app concept further. The interface may take a moment to load, so be prepared for a brief wait. Once the workspace is ready, you may see a notification pop up. To proceed, click on the Close Notification button. This will remove the alert and allow you to focus on building your app without distractions. Look for the Dashboard option and click it to access the main control panel for your project. This area provides various tools and features to manage your startup idea effectively. Next, click on the Preview button to see how your app will look. This feature gives you a visual representation of your concept, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Wait for the preview to load completely before making any further changes. You can then engage with the AI chat or prompt feature, which can assist in generating ideas or refining your app's functionalities. This interactive tool is designed to provide support and enhance your development process. Finally, you will need to wait for Base44 to generate your app. The generation process may take some time depending on the complexity of your idea and the platform's current load. Keep an eye on the progress indicators to stay informed about the status of your app creation. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.